Okay, welcome to Unit 4. 4.1, we're talking about the natural base E. So E is this number that we see in math a lot. So it's irrational, which means it goes on forever and ever and ever. No one's ever found the end. So other numbers like that are pi, but we've also learned about I. That's the imaginary number that's the square root of -1. So we have these two special numbers in math. We're adding on the third. The third is called the natural base, E. And I just want to tell you like where it came from. So someone was calculating this value, 1, and then they started making fractions. 1 over 1, 1 over 1 times 2, 1 times 2 times 3. And do you see what's happening to the denominator? We're just adding times 5, times 6, times 7, because we do this in banking. That's why someone was doing this. And went on forever and ever and ever and wrote an expression. So x and x are our variables. We have 1 plus 1 over x to the power of x, which is this line. So this line is 1 plus 1 over x to the power of x. And this value that we're adding all of these numbers up, it just keeps getting closer and closer and closer and closer to a certain number that we're calling E. Okay, so this line is E. And it's 2.718 is usually where we stop, but it goes forever and ever and ever. And we call it E. And it's this number that we use in banking. We use it for continuous growth or decay. And we get it from exponential equations. So we just have a new base that we're calling E, and it's called the natural base. So in this section, we're going to just simplify using it. In the second section, we're going to graph it and use it in application. And then we'll see how it relates to something called logarithms as we go forward.